How to remove iOS beta profile. If you want to delete new iOS beta profile from your iPhone without computer, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, open your settings and hit on the general. From there, go through the software update and check if iOS beta has been updated or not. If it is updated, then go back to the general homepage and hit on the VPN and device management. If you have already updated it, then iOS beta profile will be here. So simply click on that and there you will see an option of remove. Simply hit on that and you will be able to delete iOS beta profile from your iPhone. So in this way you can easily remove it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.